My name is Liban Roba-Duba, the Managing Director of Tana and Athi Rivers Development. We are now in the Tana Delta Integrated Project, specifically the rice production zone. This is the poulder 1. We are excited now because we are harvesting the 115-acre block, and this is part of our mandate. It is also our contribution to food security within the government's bottom-up economic transformation agenda and the value chains that the government has committed itself to. The project has the potential to produce about 80,000 metric tons from the 12,000 designated hectareage. But as we move forward, the ultimate ability of the project is to produce about 400,000 metric tons, contributing close to 40% of the national rice deficit.